Welcome everyone. In this video, we are spotlighting three crucial aspects of the United Nations: the reasons behind its establishment, the core aims and objectives driving its mission, and an exploration into the composition and pivotal functions of its main organs. Reasons for the establishment of the UN. Number 1. The destruction caused by the two world wars, the failure of the League of Nations to prevent wars and maintain peace, the fear of a third world war, the division of the world into two power blocs led by the US and the USSR, respectively, and the invention of weapons of mass destruction like the atom bomb. Number 2. The proposal of a world organization more effective than the League of Nations was discussed at various conferences by the world leaders. Finally, these discussions led to the foundation of the UNO. Number 3. The text of the UN Charter was drafted at the San Francisco Conference, held in June 1945. The United Nations organization came into existence on October 24, 1945 when the UN Charter was ratified by the US, China, France, the USSR, Britain and the majority of other countries. The main objectives of the UN are: Number 1. To maintain international peace and security. Number 2. To solve international problems of social, economic, cultural and humanitarian character. Number 3. To promote respect for human rights, and Number 4. To employ international machinery for the promotion and advancement of all people. The headquarters of the UN is located in New York in the USA. The UN flag is light blue in color with the UN emblem in white in its center. The main organs of the UN are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council and the Secretariat. The official languages of the UN are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Number 1. The General Assembly is the main deliberative organ of the UN. It appoints the Secretary General of the UN on the recommendation of the Security Council. Number 2. The Security Council is the executive body of the UN. It is responsible for the maintenance of international peace and security in the world. If any of the 5 permanent members say no to a proposal, veto is said to have been exercised. Number 3. The International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of the UN. It consists of 15 judges elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council for a term of 9 years. It gives advisory opinion on legal matters to the organs and special agencies of the UN and decides the disputes between member states if they refer the case to it.